everybody, this is Shiloh with GlasWeld, and today I want to show you just how fast and easy it is to do an amazing quality windshield repair with the ProVac Zoom and the ProCure Plus. So we're going to show you the repair we're going to work on here. We've got a nice combination breakdown here. We've got our tripod set up. We've got some legs running off it in multiple directions. As I flex it, you can see the repair. And now we didn't drill this repair. All we did is just cleaned the pit with a probe. And now we've put about 5 to 6 drops of our gray resin in here, and we're ready to start the repair process. So the ProVac Zoom has these nice ratchet teeth here, which line up with this little ratchet paw, and that will make this installation process super fast, super easy. Goes right down until it touches the glass. One click, you get a perfect seal, and then all you've got to do is pull your vacuum all the way back until it stops. So this piston just threads up until it stops. That's it. So now we're pulling a massive vacuum. One of the really cool things about this Z-mount technology that you see here is that, as you notice, we're not torquing against the glass, and so that prevents crackouts from occurring. Super fast and easy to load, and you get a consistent repair every time without the worry of cracking out the windshield. So now we can go off and leave this for 30 seconds to 5 or 10 minutes even if we want to, or we can just go ahead and reverse it and then start injecting the resin. And all you're going to see here is you're going to watch for the seal to swell up a little bit right there, and that means the resin is going to start to flow. So we'll just let it sit for another 30 seconds or so as the resin starts to run into that brake and into the legs. Now, one of the beautiful things about the GlasWeld process is the resin that we use. It's been independently tested to be about 34% stronger than the other leading brands of resin on the market. So that means a strong repair is a long-lasting repair and a safe repair. And that's really the whole purpose of windshield repair, is to restore the structural integrity of the windshield itself. Now, the gray resin that we're using here helps to absorb light refraction or light reflection, so reflectivity inside the brake. One of our most popular resins is this 2010 gray, and then the 2010 amber is also super popular. So now we've injected resin. We just let it sit there for a few minutes, didn't have to do anything. We could go off and do something else. In fact, we're going to go ahead and pull a second vacuum, and again, all we have to do is thread it to the top until it stops. Let it sit there for a minute, and I can leave it there for about 30 seconds to a minute, or I can also do a little flexing if I want to help remove the trapped air more quickly. Again, we've got the industry's strongest vacuum here, and the ProVac Zoom, one of the really great things about it that makes it really unique in the industry is ProVac technology, which allows you to sustain the vacuum while you inject the resin. So you're always in a vacuum state with the ProVac Zoom. And again, all we're going to do is just reverse it all the way back down, inject resin, see that seal swell, let it sit for a minute as the resin fills up there. And in most cases, you just let this sit for a couple minutes and the resin will fill all the way to the ends of the legs without having to do much to the repair at all, and you're going to get a really good quality repair. But I'm going to show you one little trick you can use, which is the cork. The cork would allow you to actually flex the repair a little bit on the inside and allow us to speed up the repair process. So I'm just going to come around the glass here from the inside and just do a little tiny bit of massaging on the glass. And we're just putting light pressure on the glass for about 10 or 15 seconds. And just rubbing the glass from the inside. That's flexing those legs and allowing the resin to flow more quickly all the way to the end. Okay, that should cover it. Come back around this side, check our repair one more time. Looks pretty good to me. If we see any spots that are left, we can do a little probing to help the resin to fill in into those gaps. Looks pretty good. Okay, so since our repair is pretty well filled up now, we've got all the legs filled, the air is removed. Now we're going to go on to the curing process. So you got your ProCure Plus right here, and our ProCure Plus is just going to go right over the top of the injector. So since resin does shrink slightly as it cures, this technology allows us to cure the brake while it's still under resin pressure. So all we're going to do is plug that right into our little USB port here. This will work with any USB port. Hit our button and that starts a timer. So this pulsing light here will indicate the curing process is in process. It cures in less than 60 seconds. So once that light stops flashing, we'll know our cure is 100% complete. We have a full depth of cure. Now the ProCure Plus light has an international patent penned on it, as well as the zoom, and really that's all about the design there. It's got 15 high-powered LEDs that are all on a cross-hatching pattern, curing the brake while the resin is still being injected, so you get nice resin pressure while you're curing the whole brake, which gives you stronger, better looking repairs because it helps reduce resin shrinkage during the curing process. And of course it's LED powered. It can plug right into any USB port, or it can plug into a 12 volt. So really versatile, never leaves you out without power, because you've got two options to power the light at all times. So that's about done. We're gonna go ahead and pull the curing light off, and we're going to just set it off to the side here, and we're gonna now do our pit filler. So all we gotta do is just press this little lever to release the injector. Might get a little resin squirt there, no big deal. Pull the stand off, kind of clean that area a little bit, and now we are going to take our little film tab and a little drop of this pit filler product. Now the pit filler product is going to put a cap on the repair. Just lay that right over the surface, like so. And then we put the light back on it for about 15 to 30 seconds. Now what that's doing is it's sealing off the repair so that it's preventing the repair from being affected by the elements, essentially putting a cap on the repair. So as soon as that's cured, then what we're going to do is pull this off and just scrape it, and we're almost done here. We've got a little bit of pit polish ready to go. So as you can see, the process is super easy, super quick, and we're going to get impeccable results every time with the ProVac Zoom and the ProCure Plus. Pull this off, put it off here to the side, pull this little guy off, and then just scrape our pit at a 90-degree angle. That's our little pit that's left. Last thing, drop of pit polish. Gotta give that a little shine. Okay, and now we just clean it up. And that is our finished repair. So you can see we've got a really good looking repair, no air bubbles, no dark spots, really clean, really simple, and really quick. So the ProVac Zoom provides you impeccable, amazing high quality repairs with a very simple, very easy to learn process that really anyone can learn to do.